In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to any product or courses on YouTube channel. Maybe you come across a video that talk about a product or courses and you are interested in it, but you don't know how you can get access to that product or service, or you don't know how you can get the contact of that person that did that video. This is how you are going to get access to the product and also register for the product or get the person contact. So make sure you watch the video to the end, because I'm going to show you how you can register for any product or courses on YouTube channel without stressing yourself. So assuming I wanted to watch this video, let me say I watched this video. So I'm going to allow it to load.
Now, let me explain it.
Okay. Assuming I've watched the video finish and I've get the necessary details about the video and I want to get access to the course, you see this place at the roots. This place that the roots more. If you under this how to use VALPULSE affiliate marketing, you tap on this more. So you are going to see how to use VALPULSE for affiliate marketing, 5 powerful ways to earn as a beginner. Then you go through it for more details. Are you in affiliate marketing, want to start earning online in Nigeria, anywhere in Africa? And in this video I want, so you just come to this place and they say, okay, ready to start. Click here to sign up on VALPULSE and get access to the cash flow mystery system, or this place, affiliate marketing with experience, VALPULSE, and so on. So then you tap on this link that's blue. You're going to tap on this link. So sometimes some video always has a WhatsApp link. You tap on the WhatsApp link and then you say, and that link is going to take you directly to the person WhatsApp, and then you send message to the person and ask that person question. So assuming you have gotten the link of the course, this blue icon, this blue sentence, you tap on it. Let me show you. You have to allow it to load. So after clicking to that link, it's going to take you directly to the sales page of that product, and then you are going to register, because I don't want this video to be too long because the network is very bad right now. So I don't want it to be too long. So after clicking on that link, it's going to take you directly to the sales page. Then register for the course, or when you click on the WhatsApp link, it's going to take you directly to the person DM, and then you send message to the person and ask necessary question you need to ask from that person. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video. Make sure you share and like, and make sure you subscribe, because I'll be explaining so many things on my YouTube channel. So make sure you like and subscribe and share this video. So so then you come to this place, then you slide, you read everything, then you come to this place. If you want to get access to the VALPULSE, you come to this place and then you tap on the purchase CMA course. So you allow it to load. So can see the network is very bad. So you are going to allow it to load. So after loading, you fill your details and then you pay for the registration, and then you get access to your VALPULSE. So that is how you can get access to any course or product online. So make sure after watching a video, make sure you click on that more to get more details about the product or the course, and then you click on any link you see there and you sign up. So that is how you can get access to any product or courses on YouTube channel, directly from YouTube channel. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things. Kindly share and subscribe.